we gotta fix this damage here. From what I'm seeing, should be able to just lift the back seat, pull off that panel, then we can get to the inside and hopefully start pushing out this corner. I'm hoping to get that panel off too and see if we can get that out. Do you want to get a video of it? Hell yeah. Oops, that scared me. Yes. Trunk.
Guys, we just got this Scion PC. There we do that. What's up, guys? We just got this 2016. A little bit of damage on the driver's side here, behind the door. Should be easy to fix. There's also a little bit of damage to the floor. Strange looking. What do you think that is? Let us know in the comments. Other than that, this car's in really good shape.
Yeah, the whole roof is glass.
The entire roof is glass on this thing.
What? I'm trying to figure out how to open the trunk. There's a weird button in here. Oh, it has to do with the air? I don't know. That's weird. How do you pop the trunk? Sorry.
On the driver's side, maybe?
I mean,
Oh, it just opens.
I see. Oh, wow, that's cool.
That is quite the trunk.
I didn't know it did that.
Wow.
That's wild.
That is awesome.
Nice. Go and start it up. Poof it off. Nice. And then one tear in the seat carpet. So I got the back seat pulled. This little thing was weird. I had to push a little pin. Push that and twist it. Now we're gonna pop that off. So it took a little work, but we got that off. Probably won't attempt it today, but we will slowly try and get the dent pushed back out and slowly see how it goes. So what I'm noticing is this is my worst wrinkle. Here's the door line. So I've got to get all of this pretty much back over like this is. So I get slightly lifted it there. We might not fix that. It is what it is. But you can see how it flex so much, just pop the paint right off. Which is fine. Gives us somewhere to weld. But I'm thinking I'm going to just weld a bunch of pieces and use the slide hammer to get as much of this back out, and then attempt to get that pushed out. But we'll see. I might try to use some little air pump bags, or we'll see. So just a little advice. So we're gonna remove the ABS module. Cut your lines so that they pinch off. Makes it cleaner for shipping, and that way the person buying it knows, you know, nothing's got in there. And you know, the system's probably pretty clean. Helps keep the system clean, so. Probably would have got this done, or got the car more done on the car, but I had to get this done. Pain in the ass. We got it. Just cut everything we don't need. Leave everything hooked on the engine so all the connectors stay good. All we got left to get is the rear axle.
Probably better than one.
Yes, sir.
One chain slightly longer.
They'll even out once it matters.
Yeah.
Like it's gonna pull. It's gonna be pulling on that. So I mean, at some point. Hazel, you run the camera, okay? You got this. Easy girl.
Looks like you might have ripped that one down.
What'd that do?
Just moved the car a lot.
Hold on, I'm gonna grab the cameras. You're good.
not a dumb idea if it works, right?
Exactly. And even drain some fluid.
Yeah, the engine's drained now.
Oh, nice. We finally got the timing cover.
I know, it's just... Well, now we just gotta get this car loaded on there.
Good luck getting that motor running again.